God is a God of his word, and God accomplishes everything through his word. God, the word, and Jesus Christ are interchangeable. Here are 5 themes that prove that God uses his word for everything. Number 1, God created the universe through his word. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis 1, verse number 1. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Genesis 1, verse number 3. All things were made through him, and without him nothing was made that was made. John 1, verse number 3. For by him all things were created in heaven and on earth, visible and invisible, whether thrones or dominions, principalities or powers. All things were created through him and for him. Colossians 1, verse number 6. Number 2, God communicates with his people through the word. God, who at various times and in various ways spoke in times past to the fathers by the prophets, has in these last days spoken to us by his Son, whom he has appointed the heir of all things, through whom also he made the world. Number 3, he entered his creation through the word, and the word became flesh and dwelt among us, and we beheld his glory, the glory as of the only begotten of the Father, full of grace and truth. Without controversy, great is the mystery of godliness. God was manifested in the flesh, justified in the spirit, seen by angels, preached among the Gentiles, believed on in the world, and received up in glory. Number 4, he reconciled the world back to himself through the word. That is, God was in Christ, reconciling the world to himself, not imputing the trespasses to them, and has committed to us the word of reconciliation. Number 5, he preached, healed the sick, and resurrected the dead through the word. Do you not believe that I am in the Father, and the Father in me? The words that I speak to you, I do not speak on my own authority, but the Father who dwells in me does the works. If you find this content useful, kindly like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you.